Yes, welcome back, beta. Today we are taking the topic HCF, that is highest common factor. So first of all, we are going to understand what is the meaning of highest common factor. So for starting, let us take an example 12 and 4. Suppose we have to find the highest common factor of 12 and 4. So what we have to do, we have to find all the possible factor of 12 and all the possible factor of 4. So if we check, 12 comes in the table of 1 into 12. Then it also comes in the table of 2, 6, 12. Then it also comes in the table of 3 and 4. It also comes in the table of 4. So if we write 4 into 3, it means the numbers are repeating. Numbers have started repeating. So out of these multiples, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the all possible factors of 12. These are the possible factors. Come to the next number 4. The factor of 4 is 1 into 4. 4 comes in the table of 1 and 4. So 1 into 4, if we take the next, then 4 into 1, both are repeating. So here we can say 1 and 4 are its factor. So out of these two factors, you have to select the highest factor. So if we check the highest number, we're going to take the common highest factor. Highest common factor. If we see, 1 is common in both of them, 4 is common in both of them. Out of 1 and 4, which is the highest one? 4 is the highest one. So we can say HCF of 12 and 4 is 4. So this is the process for finding the highest common factor. So now let us take some examples. There is a procedure for finding the highest common factor. Let us take some of the questions. So first of all, I am taking two numbers 18 and 48. Suppose the question is find the HCF of 18 and 48. We have to find the HCF of 18 and 48. So what you have to do, we are going to find their all possible prime factors. So this is the process for finding. We'll make two factor division. Now here we are going to take the prime numbers. So the last divisibility test we have already learned. The last number is 8. It means 18 is divisible by the table of 2. So we are going to start with the table of 2. 2, 9, 18. Then 9 comes in the table of 3. 3, 3, 9. Then again 3, 1, 3. So here we are observing all the numbers are prime. Here all the numbers should be prime. Moving to the next, here also the last digit is 8 and 8 comes in the table of 2. So we can divide 48 by 2. This point you have to note, whatever the number you are taking out, that number should be a prime number. So 2 to 4, 2, 4, 8. Again it can be cancelled with the table of 2. 2, 1, 2, 4, then 2, 6, 12, 2, 3, 6 and 3 into 1. So you have to divide until and unless at the last you get 1. Now we are going to find out the common. So 1, 1, 2 is common in both of them and 1, 3 is also common in both of them. So here we can say HCF of 18 and 48 is 2 multiply 3. You have to multiply both the common numbers. So the highest common factor of 18 and 48 is 6. So this is the main process through which you can find the highest common factor of any given number. Whether 2 numbers are given or 3 numbers are given. Let us take one more example. Number 2, I am taking 3 numbers. Now I am taking 3 numbers 20, 28 and 36. 20, 28 and 36. So again we are going to first find the prime factors of all these numbers separately. So at the last, keeping in mind the divisibility test rule, you have to find out by which table it can be divided, so by 2 into 2 into 10 times, then 2 5 times, and 5 into 1. So here also all the numbers are prime number. This can also be divisible by 2 because the last number is 8 and 8 is divisible by 2. So 2 1 times, 2 4 times, 2 7 14 and 7 1 time. Last 36, the last number is 6. So this can also be divisible by the table of 2 18 times, then 2 9 times, then 9 comes in the table of 3, so 3 3 and 3 1. Now identify all the common factors 2, 2 and 2. One more 2 we are finding, 2, 2 and 2. Here we have 5, here we don't have 5 and we don't have 5. So out of these encircle number we can say HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. So here student we can say the HCF of these three numbers is 4. 4 is the highest common factor. So this way student we can find the HCF of any given number, whether 2 numbers are given, whether 3 numbers are given. Thank you to all.